Let's create a quick GIF to see the ultimate GIF tool in action. First we hit record or hit a hotkey to grab a few frames. Once we're done, a preview appears right in the inspector and we can watch it there, or customize by trimming a few frames from the beginning or the end. We could also apply ping pong mode, so the GIF will go back and forth to create a cool effect, or reverse it. Once that's all set, we can hit save, and just like that, we created, edited, and saved our first GIF. Now that it's ready, we could upload it to Imgur. And just like that, it appears. While that's loading, we could also create a meme. We'll save that. We can check on the one we uploaded earlier. That looks good. Okay, and this one's a bit about saved. And since we uploaded to the original to Imgur, let's share this one to Twitter. Put some text in there. Hit share. Awesome. We can also apply transformations during the capture process, such as a grayscale shader. See it there. Or during an edit. We can do, say, cutout. Can apply that, restore it, or keep it, save it, and there it is. And never miss a GIF Friday with the GIF Friday button. Simply save a GIF and click it, and there's customizable default text already there for you. And just like that, you've sent updates to all your Twitter followers on the status of your game. Ta-da!